In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a tracking template in Google Ads. This is an essential tool that can help you manage your ad campaigns more effectively, allowing you to track and measure the performance of your online marketing efforts with precision. It may sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, we're going to walk through it step by step. Let's start by heading over to Google Ads. You can do this by visiting the Google Ads homepage, which is where you'll be able to access all the tools and settings you'll need for this setup. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in. Be sure to have your account details ready, as you'll need to log in to access the dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. Here you'll get an overview of your campaigns and account performance. Look for the Campaigns tab, which is usually positioned on the left-hand side of the interface. Clicking on Campaigns will take you to a detailed view of all your campaigns. The next step is to click on the Ad Groups tab. Ad groups are crucial because they let you organize your ads by a common theme, usually based on the keywords you're targeting. This helps in structuring your campaigns more effectively. Within the ad group section, select the ad group you wish to work with. You can do this by simply clicking on the name of the ad group. Once you've selected the ad group, look for the edit option, which allows you to make changes to your selected ad group. Now it's time to change the tracking templates. Click on the option that says change tracking templates. This might sound a bit complex, but essentially a tracking template is a piece of URL code that tells Google Ads how to track the ad when users click on it. It's a powerful tool because it allows you to gather data on which ads and keywords are effectively driving traffic and conversions on your site. After clicking on change tracking templates, the next step is setting the actual tracking template. This is where you'll input the URL parameters needed to track the specifics of ad performance. While setting this up, ensure that you are comfortable with the format you desire and double check for any errors to ensure accuracy in your tracking data. And that's it. By following these steps, you've set up a tracking template in Google Ads. This will provide you with invaluable insights into your ad performance, helping you make better data-driven decisions for your future campaigns. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this has been helpful for you. Happy advertising.